Dudhia is a small serene village located about 25 to 30 kilometers from Siliguri and roughly 30 kilometers from Darjeeling at an elevation of around 450 meters above sea level. It lies along the Mirik Siliguri highway and marks where the Himalayan foothills gradually rise from the plains. Dudhia is defined by the tranquil flow of Balason River, which meanders through a landscape of lush forests, tea gardens, and rolling hills. The riverbank is dotted with sandy spots, large boulders, and open meadows, perfect for easy riverside walks, picnics, or simply soaking in nature's calm. Dudhia shines as an offbeat, low-key destination that offers authentic riverside serenity, stunning views of the Himalayan foothills, and glimpses into village life and tea country culture.